Q. I don't feel fulfilled in the wake of completing my dinners. Are there good food sources I can add to my eating regimen that will encourage me? Eating a feast ought to fulfill your craving and taste buds, as well as furnish your body with fuel for the following couple of hours. Eating a satisfying feast can likewise stop you from undesirable nibbling. On the off chance that your feasts aren't fulfilling, they probably will exclude the right food varieties. A few food sources improve out of keeping up with the sensation of totality for longer than others. By and large, the more protein, fiber, and water a food contains, the more it will fulfill you. Eating the right sort of carbs matters, as well. Carb-containing food varieties that have a low glycemic file, for example, oats, entire wheat pasta, grain cereal, will fulfill you longer since they take more time to process. The sheer main part of a food likewise adds to its filling factor. Eating a huge volume of food can extend your stomach wall, causing the vagus nerve to tell your cerebrum you've had enough to eat. Your vagus nerve conveys signals from your stomach-related framework to your mind as well as the other way around.